Hey everybody, we're back again. This weekend we are at Stephen C. Foster State Park. Jan's taking pictures of the river, so I thought I would start the video while she's busy doing that. The park is named after Stephen Foster, who wrote the state song. Way down, is it Old Folks at Home? I think it's Old Folks at Home, but it's way down upon the Swanee River. Excuse my singing, it's horrible, but the park is after the guy who wrote the song, the state song. So it's a really nice park. We started down here on the river, but we've gone to the Carillon already. We've kind of walked around the craft shop and stuff like that. But it's really nice so far. A really well laid out park. The campsites are great. I'll shoot some video of the campsites later on. But they're huge. It's a beautiful park.
They're huge and deep, and you're not going to hit anything.
Yeah, and they're very level. A lot of them are pull-through sites, so it makes it really nice to get in and out. Very well laid out.
Very private.
Yep.
So you kind of have your separation from other sites, so you're not like right on top of each other.
Yep.
They're really nice.
Very nice, yep. Facilities are real nice, so we thought we'd get started here on the river, and we'll see you around the park. You gonna say bye, sweetie?
Bye.
Bye. We'll see you guys in a bit. Bye. So I tried to get out before the storm came and shoot some video of the spring house, but as you can see, I was not very successful. I made it to the spring house and that was about it. So I'm hoping that this rain is going to let up and I can get back to the camper, but I'm not hopeful that this is going to let up anytime soon. When it started raining yesterday, that was it. It started raining all day long. So although I'm only about 2 miles from the campground, it might as well be 100 because there is my truck back there and I've got to get through the rain to get into the truck, and I don't know how successful that's going to be. You can see I'm kind of wet, but my failed attempt at making it to the, I shouldn't say it was a failed attempt, I did make it to the bathhouse and I did get to shoot some video there, but when I was shooting, the rain started coming down and I knew, oh no, I'm not going to make it back to the truck in time. But hey, I actually got out and got to shoot something, so now I just have to wait for the rain to clear up so I can make it back to the camper. We'll see. Wish me luck. So I thought I would head up to Big Shoals while it was raining. as you can see, it's still raining, and I'm not sure if I made a great decision or not. This is a dirt road. Big Shoals is an area of the Suwannee River where there's a bunch of rocks, and it's supposed to be like rapids. So I thought while it was raining, I might try to investigate where this was at. It's not what I thought it was. Like I said, you can see it's a dirt road, and it's raining, and it's kind of slippery. So we'll see. I don't know. Give it a shot. And if I get some video, you know I made it. If not, send out a search party. So, like my pink umbrella, I've decided, wisely or unwisely, to hike out to the Big Shoals. Ooh, there's a mosquito buzzing around my head, big one. Yeah, excuse the interruption. So I've decided to hike out to the Big Shoals. Don't know if that's the smart thing to do or not, but we'll give it a shot. It's not really raining too hard. But I figured that was a big spider web right there. I don't know if you can see that. Giant spider web I almost walked right into. That would have freaked me out. So I am, like I said, hiking out to Big Shoals. Don't have anything else to do this afternoon. It's not raining that hard. Give it a shot, see what it's like. Big Shoals, only class 3 rapids in Florida. Never been there before. We'll give it a try. Hopefully I'll make it without getting swarmed by mosquitoes or big spider webs like I just ran into. Wish me luck. So the trail I'm on is wandering right alongside the Suwannee River. There it is, right down there. You're gonna have to forgive the pink umbrella. It puts a really nice pink cast on everything. But there it is down there. So I'm gonna continue to walk along the trail. I did just pass a water moccasin, so there are snakes out on the trail, so I'm gonna have to be careful. Did startle me a little bit, but not too bad. I'm from Florida, so it's pretty much the natural course of things. Snakes and alligators are everywhere around here, so. But I just have to be cautious. They are out, and I'll need to look down rather than look up. But I just thought I'd give you a shot of the Suwannee River while I'm walking around it. So I came around the corner, and I disturbed a whole bunch of these birds. I don't know what they were doing, but you can hear them. There's some kind of like swallowtail kite or something like that, but I came around the corner and they all flew out of the tree, and I don't know if you can see them, but you can definitely hear them for sure. That was weird. Another oddity on the trail. Well, I think I'm getting close to the Big Shoals part of the river. I don't know if you can hear it or not, but I can hear the water breaking on the rocks just up probably 2 or 3 minutes away. Probably not that far, but I know I'm getting close. The trail is still heading towards the shoals, so I'm encouraged that I'm not too far away now that I can hear the shoals breaking on the water. So won't be long now. Hopefully I'll report back in a few minutes with some good footage of the shoals. Okay, so I have made it to the official viewing area, and if you look down there you can see the Big Shoals area. Kind of have to look through the trees. I'm going to see if I can get a better view maybe down there. There's a trail that kind of wanders down there, so I'm going to give that a shot. But I wanted to at least get a view up here in case I can't make it down there to get a better shot. But I will wander down there and see what I can get. Okay, so I did find a trail that wandered down here, got me a little bit closer, well, a lot closer to the Big Shoals area. So I'm going to pan around here. You can see that water's moving pretty good through there. It's not very deep, and there's a lot of water that comes through. So this was definitely worth the hike out to see this. This is nice. You can see over there, I guess they allow kayakers to come down this. I don't know if I would do it or not, but let me see if I can wander out here a little bit more and see if you can see a little further up. Bring it down a little bit. You see over there, there's quite a drop in water over there and over there. The water drops quite a bit, and I'm going to turn around this way a little bit. It's probably harder to see right there, but there's probably, I don't know, 3 foot, 4 foot where the water drops down right there. So this was definitely worth coming out and checking this out. I didn't realize there was anything like this in Florida, but well worth the trip. If you get a chance and you're in White Springs and you can make it out to the Big Shoals Preserve Wildlife Area, it would definitely be worth the trip to come and check this out. So I'm going to stay here a little bit and enjoy it a little bit more, but I'm glad I got some video for you guys. Hey guys, this is it. This is our last day in White Springs at the Stephen Foster State Park, and we are right now at the old White Springs Mineral Springs. Is that right?
Spring House.
Spring House. It's the mineral springs of the Spring House. If you look down in here, there is a mineral spring. It doesn't look like much of a spring right now, but back in the day, it was quite a tourist attraction. This used to be like 5 or 6 levels, and they had stairs that went down in there. And they've got some pictures in the tourism center that really show hundreds of people around this place going into the springs. I don't think I would go in there. I know Jan said she was eager to jump down in there and go swimming.
So.
But
it's dark water, and there's a smell.
Yeah, it's sulfur water, so it's kind of, I don't know, it's kind of got a weird smell to it. Yeah, it's not something you'd go, wow, I want to go jump in that. At least I wouldn't go. I'd want to go jump in that. We're also on the Swanee River, so that kind of, the spring feeds into the Swanee River, and they kind of mix together, so it's weird. But we did want to close the video out here before we head home. We had a great time at Stephen Foster. I think the park was really nice.
The park was awesome. The sites we walked through, and all the sites are huge. Even the smaller ones, they're very wide, and most of them have a designated picnic area, so that's even off to the side. So that's not even in your way when you're trying to back in. And the drive-through sites are just,
they're
you
huge.
Could probably fit 2 or 3 campers in there, I think.
It was amazing how big some of them were. So really nice, all very level, paved roads, a lot to do in the park. There's playgrounds for the kids. There's the museum, the Carillon Tower. So man, if you come here, you could easily spend a weekend doing stuff in the park. So we definitely really like this park. Easy to get to, right off the interstate, so it's not bad at all. We're going to close the video out here. We're going to head home. I don't know if you can see it or not, but the clouds are starting to roll in, and I think we might get rained on when we're trying to pack up. So remember, if you like the video, to give us 2 thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already subscribed. And as always, keep chasing your dream. And until next time, we'll see you later. Bye.
Bye.